Hey guys, Theo here, and I hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna make some fudgy vegan brownies. Let's get started.
In a bowl, add together equal parts water and flaxseed and let sit for about 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, mix together your almond flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, mix together your melted chocolate and almond butter. Then add in your coconut oil, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and flaxseed egg. Then mix together your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Lastly, fold in your chocolate. Use a parchment-lined baking pan and smooth out your batter until it is a thin layer. Then bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes.
Alright guys, after you let these bake, you want to let these cool until room temperature, and then you'll cut them into squares. Alright, let's see how they taste. They're super chocolatey and super fudgy. You won't even believe that they're vegan. If you like this recipe, it'll be found in the blog post below, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy!